Hello everybody, welcome to watch today's video. This is Victor from CEAYA eBIKE today. In this video, we will walk you through the basics from charging the battery and powering on to troubleshooting mirror issues and selecting your favorite ready mode. Okay, let's start it. First, let's get the battery out. It's very simple. Just use the key, insert the block, and turn on. Then you see the battery is out of the battery tube, and here I have a button. Push the button, and then you can get the battery out. Very simple. To check how much power you have got, just press the little button of the side of the battery. You see, the blue light means you have got the full juices. The green light, you are good to go. The red light, just like this, is time to charge. Now for charging, pay attention to the order here. Always plug the charger into the battery first, and then plug it into the wall socket. And you will see the red light means it's charging. When it flicks up to green, you are fully charged juice up. When you unplug, do the reservice. Pull the wall plug first and then the battery side. Once lock back the battery on the bike, then you can power on the bike. Just push and hold the power button for a while, and the screen will wake up. And you will see it. We are going to on the password page, 18P. The default password is just put in the password and you will go into the system. Very easy. And if you are riding at night, you have got a delicate headlight switch right here. And on the left grip, please be attention. It's not this one. It's this one. Push it once for on. Push it again for off. Couldn't be simpler. Now, if you want to change the speed unit of the meter, the display, you need to enter the setting page. Long push the plus and the minus button together. We will go into the setting page. You can change the page to number 2 from use the plus button or the minus button. Here is. Now here is the number 2 button, and you will see the display unit, the speed unit is kilometer per hour, and we want the value is 00. We just need to change the value to the 01, because the 01 means the unit speed, the speed unit is mile per hour. So what we need to do, just save the value, push again, and long push the power button again, and we start. So you will see the speed unit is changed to mile per hour. Let's talk about a common hiccup. You may be riding and suddenly the motor cuts up, and if you squeeze the brake lever, it comes back, or everything looks like everything is fine, but the motor just won't speed. In both cases, it means you will see the beat up flashing on the screen. This means the brake lever sensor is a little sensitive. Don't worry, here is the fix. During shipping, that tiny sensors screwed inside the lever sometimes shifts out of the place. Just grab a screwdriver and gently take that screw. Now, here is the screwdriver, and here is the tighty sensor, the brake sensor. About a counter-clockwise or counter-clockwise until the error goes away. Test it by squeezing the brake a few times. No more BR, you are back in business. By the shorter edges, here's how to install it. Find the matching point on the cupboard of the handlebar. It has a little dust cover. Open it up. Your shorter plugs against the notches. It only goes into one way. In short, it's probably a link to above damaged the connector pins and push it firmly and until you feel it click into place. Last but not least, your 3 riding modes. First is the human mode or the riding mode. No motor help at all. Just you and your legs. Perfect for exercise or saving every last drop of your battery. The second is the PAS mode. This is pedal assisting. As soon as you start pedaling, the motor will give you a boost. You can choose from level 1 to 5. The level 5 gives you the most push. This is my personal favorite for daily use. The third is the comfort mode or throttle mode. No need pedaling. Just twist the throttle and go. Great for quick starts or when your legs need a break. You can switch between the 3 riding modes anytime you want. For best range or comfort, I would like to recommend sticking the PAS modes on level 3 most of the time. And this is the CEAYA A20 Pro you have in a nutshell. If you run into anything else, just check your user manual or reach out our buyer support team. Thanks for today's watching and ride safe out there. Thank you.